Today we will discuss about the SQL injection. So what is SQL injection? SQL injection is an attack technique that exploits vulnerabilities that occur in the database layer of an application. Hackers use injections to gain unauthorized access to underlying data structures and database management systems. Yeah, it is. An attacker can use SQL injections to embed malicious code in a poorly designed applications and propagate it to the backend database. So it is possible. It is not any difficult work. So if your system is vulnerable, okay. Malicious data produces database or query results or actions that should never be executed. Now, by exploiting SQL injections vulnerability under the right circumstances, an attacker could bypass our web applications, authentications, and authorizations mechanisms and obtain contents of the entire database. SQL injections can also be used to add, SQL injections can also be used to modify, SQL injection can also be used to delete records in the database. Yeah, it is obviously possible, thereby compromising data integrity also. In this regard, SQL injection can give an attacker unauthorized access to sensitive data, which is crucial for any organizations. Actually, SQL injections vulnerabilities allow attackers to inject malicious input into SQL statements. So, when you write a query, we have to be careful. So, how we write the query in the backend and how it is executing in the client side. So, we have to notice both sides, client side and server side. So, if there is no error, there is no vulnerability, so no one can hack your website. So it is 99% possible you cannot be hacked by the SQL injections. Thank you. No more today. See you next time. Thank you so much.